Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Bill Manel. I'm the Vice President General Manager for HPC at Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. And today I'm going to give you an Exascale update. So we're very privileged to be developing the first 3 Exascale systems for the United States. And we've got engineering teams who are busy at work developing some of the new technology for these particular machines. At the same time, we'll be delivering a number of pre-exascale machines over the next few years as well. And these are using similar technologies, not quite as large in scale, but certainly having the capability of growing into exascale class machines. And you can see on the slide in front of me, these are those machines. So first off, we have NERSC, and NERSC is deployed today, and actually on the June top 500 list came in as number 5 on the list. So already a very sizable machine in its own right. And then we'll be having the 3 exascale machines, the Aurora machine at Argonne National Lab in Illinois in the United States, followed by Frontier, which will be at Oak Ridge National Lab in Tennessee. And then finally, El Capitan, which will be at Lawrence Livermore National Lab in California. We also are going to be deploying some other pre-exascale machines, such as ALPS, which will be at CSCS in Switzerland, Crossroads at Los Alamos National Lab in New Mexico, here in the United States, and finally, LUMI, which will be part of the Euro HPC joint undertaking and deployed in Finland. So we're very excited about developing these future machines, but even more excited because we'll be taking that technology and making it more broadly available across the market. And it's been a frequent issue in the past where some of the technology from the largest supercomputers in the world is not readily applicable to a broad portion of the HPC market. And so we specifically have been working on technology that will make it much more broadly available through a variety of different markets and a variety of different system sizes. So as an example, the Cray EX platform, which forms the basis of all these large machines that you see on the slide, is actually being deployed today at a number of different customer sites, sizes, and locations. I've talked to you about NERSC already, but also we've had deployments in markets such as weather, in science and research, and in the defense industry as well. And so we've got these machines working today. One example is at Air Force Weather, where it's actually forecasting the weather on a daily basis. Finally, as a part of these machines, we'll also be deploying the Slingshot interconnect. So the Slingshot interconnect is going to be exascale class and exascale capable, but is also available today in a variety of different system sizes and through the different markets that I mentioned previously. And it's working well from that perspective at these customers. Another area that we'll be deploying more broadly is in the software side of the house. So as an example, Cray programming environment will be utilized on all of these systems, but at the same time is utilized in more modest scale systems today. And this includes runtime libraries such as Cray MPI, as well as Cray OS as well. And from a management perspective, we'll be deploying both Cray system management as well as HPCM, which is the more traditional system management programs used for HPE type machines. So again, as we go on the route to building the biggest machines on the planet, we'll be deploying that technology at smaller scale today and also continuing on to the future. So thanks so much for your time and looking forward to deploying more of these large machines. Thank you.